Right, so I guess you have already built your introductory knowledge on AWS and DevOps. Now let's talk about the course a little bit. All those things that we have talked about so far, starting from your servers, storages, networking, databases, migrations, and all those things in AWS cloud. Whatever we talked about DevOps, that is your automated testing, automated building, continuous integration, continuous deployment, monitoring, maintenance, and all those things. Every individual participating in this course is practically going to do all these things. There are no theoretical sessions. The course runs on 100% practical model. We start by understanding the fundamentals of networks a little bit, because other than that it becomes a little difficult to actually go into the AWS flow. We get onto AWS, we start preparing our networks, which we have learned in the fundamentals, and then slowly we make our way to servers, storages, databases, monitoring, administration, and all those things. It takes a little bit more or less 1 month of time to become an AWS Solutions Architect. Once you finish your AWS Solutions Architect course, you get 3 completely hands-on projects focusing on 3 different parts of your AWS, namely one on administration, one on monitoring, and one on architecting. Because these 3 are the major roles where you'll find people working in the industry. Then we start with DevOps. We'll try to learn all those 11 tools that we talked about after familiarization with the flow of DevOps. DevOps once again takes around 1 month of time, if not more, and we will be completely working on Linux machines for that. Now, in case you don't feel comfortable enough to work with Linux machine, you will be completely guided from Teqstories for your Linux fundamental sessions as well. In our course, we shall be building our CI/CD pipeline. We'll be using some configuration management tools to build infrastructures and all those things. And that will also once again follow with 3 projects in the CI/CD and the configuration management domain. You can find the headlines of these projects if you log on to www.teqstories.com and follow the courses accordingly. Altogether, the entire practical training that you're getting, followed by the 6 projects, it opens up 3 complete fields of jobs in front of you. One is purely on AWS, stands for AWS Administrator, AWS Architect, or let's say Solutions Architect, and if you're carrying a little less experience, then as a monitoring guy on AWS Cloud. The second field of job is going to be purely DevOps, where you work either in CI part or in CD part, or you go and work in the configuration management section. And the third field of opportunity that opens up in front of you is going to be the combination of AWS and DevOps. That is a DevOps associate on AWS Cloud, which is by far one of the highest demanding jobs in the software industry in 2020 and coming 2021. So all over the course extends for around 2.5 months of time. You have your flexibility to choose your batches from weekdays to weekends, classrooms or online, in the morning, in the afternoon or in the evening. Your representatives will completely help you out in this particular regard, and they will make sure you get the most suitable time for your class. Also, there are some additional services that you get along with the course, which will be clarified to you by your representative. If you felt this video is informative, make sure you drop a feedback below or hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and on behalf of Team Teqstories, wish you all the very best for achieving your career goals. Thank you so much.